Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Walmart affiliate program, complete guide step by step clearly. To register for the Walmart affiliate program, begin by visiting the Walmart affiliate website. Look for the button that says join now or sign up. Clicking on that button will redirect you to the registration page. You will need to fill out an application form that requires your personal information. Start by entering your first and last name in the appropriate fields. Next, provide your email address. Choose a secure password for your account and enter it. Now, you will be asked to provide your mailing address. Fill in your street address, city, state, and zip code. After that, you'll need to provide information about your website or blog. Enter the URL of your site in the designated field. If you do not have a website, indicate that you are using social media or other platforms. You will also be asked to describe your promotional methods. Be sure to tell them how you plan to drive traffic and generate sales. Once you have completed the form, review all the information for accuracy. When you're satisfied, submit your application. You will receive a confirmation email from Walmart. This email may contain important information regarding your application status. It typically takes a few days for your application to be reviewed. If approved, you'll receive another email with instructions on how to access your affiliate account. Once you have access, log in to your Walmart affiliate portal. Here, you can find various tools to help you promote Walmart products. Explore the banners, text links, and product links available for you. Be sure to familiarize yourself with the program's terms and conditions. The dashboard will also provide you with insights and reports on your performance. If you have any questions, Walmart's support is available to assist you. Now you are ready to start promoting products and earning commissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.